Chukuma, my son, come and eat. It is not much, but it is what we have.
Mama, is this all? My stomach still cries.
I know, my son. The drought has taken almost everything from us. But God will not forget us.
Ifi! Ifi, come out here! I have come for what is owed to me.
That land is all I have left of my husband. Please, have mercy.
Find the money or lose the land.
Mama, why does he treat us this way? Did Papa not work that land with his own hands?
Some men see only what they can take, my son, not what a person has already lost.
Peace be in this house. Ifi, daughter, I have walked far to find you. To find you.
Prophet Amadi, forgive me. I have nothing to offer a visitor.
Even our own food is little.
I have not come to eat, Ifi. The Lord has shown me your seed yams, the last ones in your store.
How do you know of them? I have hidden them to sell if things grow worse. My son, your father used to say, a seed kept in the barn can never become a harvest.
The sky may look empty tonight, but obedience does not wait for the clouds to prove themselves. Ifi, I hear you are planting your last seeds like a foolish woman. Are you planting your grave instead?
Landlord Okonkwo, this is my farm and this is my faith. Leave me to it.
Foolishness. When the land dries your seed to dust, do not come crying to me.
Mama, my hands are shaking. Are we truly doing this? What if nothing grows, Mama? What if we lose everything?
Yes, my son. Together, one seed at a time.
I am afraid, Mama.
Then we will have lost it in faith, not in fear. That is a loss I can carry. So am I, my son, but we will be afraid and faithful together. So am I, my son, but we will be afraid and faithful together.
Mama, listen! Do you hear that sound? The sky is turning dark! Mama! The clouds are gathering fast!
That sound! That sound! My son! That is thunder! That sound! My son, that is thunder!
The sky is turning dark! Mama, the clouds are gathering fast!
Chukuma, run! Cover the last of the seeds we have not yet planted. Run! Cover the last of the seeds we have not yet planted.
Mama, it is raining! It is really...
Oh, thank you, Chukuma. Let it fall.
Let it fall on every seed we planted in faith. Mama, you were right.
No, my son. It was never about being right. It was about being willing.
I saw the yam. Ifi, I passed by your farm. I saw the yam shoots already breaking through the soil.
God did not forget us, Landlord Okonkwo, even when we had nothing left to give but our fear.
I mocked you. I called you foolish. Forgive me, Ifi.
I forgive you, Landlord Okonkwo. Come.
Ifi, the seed was never the problem. It was whether you would trust the hand that gave it.
I see it now, Prophet Amadi, when I gave it to God's hands.
Mama, when I grow up, I want to plant my own seeds in faith too, just like you.
Then you have already learned the greatest harvest of all, my son.